So if you have knee pain and you suffer from a knee injury, this is what you want to do. Okay, so open the fascia on your knee. What we're going to do, we grab our kneecaps, we lean forward, put our body weight onto our knees, and now you either rotate inwards or outwards. So you try that out for yourself. For me, it's outwards. So you grab the kneecaps and go like this, rotate them outwards, relax my shoulders down, put my weight forward onto my knees, and then you just bring your attention towards your knees, bring your breath there. Each exhale, you rotate a little bit more. You do 6 breaths, nose in, nose out, okay? So inhale 1. 3, 4, 5, and last one. Slow release. And just see how your knees feel, move them around. Do that as often as desired. You open the fascia, there's more blood flow, body can heal. Very, very powerful.